Connect to Wi-Fi. Make sure both your iPhone and Samsung TV are connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network.
Navigate to Settings. Go to your TV's Settings menu. Find AirPlay. Look for General Connection Apple AirPlay Settings. For some models, it may be under Settings, All Settings, Connection Apple AirPlay Settings. Turn on AirPlay. Select AirPlay and turn it on. Open Control Center. On your iPhone, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen, or up from the bottom on older models. Tap Screen Mirroring. Look for and tap the screen mirroring icon, two overlapping rectangles. Select your TV. Choose your Samsung TV from the list of available devices. Enter PIN, if prompted. A code will appear on your TV screen. Enter this code on your iPhone to finish the connection. Open Control Center again. Swipe down from the top right corner. Tap Screen Mirroring. Select the screen mirroring icon. Tap Stop Mirroring. Choose this option from the menu. Third-party apps. If AirPlay isn't available, you can use third-party apps from the App Store, like AirBeam TV, to connect. Samsung SmartThings. Some Samsung TVs may use the SmartThings app for casting content, which can be found in the App Store.